In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add and customize a contact form in Wix to make your website more interactive and user-friendly. Kick off the process by opening your site's editor. Once here, locate the Add icon, which is usually located on the left side of the editor. This icon is marked by a plus symbol, making it easily identifiable. Click this icon to open a new menu. Then from the menu presented, pinpoint and select Contact and Forms. This will redirect you to a new screen with several contact form options. At this stage, there are multiple routes you can take. If you're starting from scratch, choose Create New Form to build an original custom contact form that meets your unique needs. Alternatively, if you prefer to use a pre-made template, simply drag and drop your preferred form template from the list onto your website page. Likewise, if you've previously created a form on your site and wish to reuse it, just select the Add Existing Form option. Next, we'll move on to customizing your form. To do this, click on the form element present on your page. Then, proceed to click either Edit Form or Settings, both of which will grant you access to a variety of customization options. Once here, you can customize the fields of the form. For instance, you can edit the title of a field, mark it as required, or change the placeholder text. In addition, you can even add new fields, such as text fields, number fields, drop-downs, or file uploads to your form. While still in customization mode, go ahead and click on the Design tab within the settings. This will enable you to alter the colors, fonts, and background of the form to align with your branding. You can also click the Layout tab to tweak the padding and spacing of your form, ensuring it fits nicely on your web page. Furthermore, you can decide what happens after a user submits a form. To do this, click on Settings, then select the Forms tab. Here, you can select options such as sending notifications or displaying a thank you message post-submission. Wix's powerful automation features also enable you to send follow-up emails effortlessly. Lastly, direct your attention to the Notifications tab under the Settings menu. This helps you select who should receive notifications each time a form is submitted. If you wish, you can even connect the form to your Wix contacts to automatically save submissions. And just like that, your custom Wix form is ready for use.